Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best bug and tar removers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best bug and tar removers. Starting at number 5, we have the Stoner CarCare Bug Eraser Car Cleaning Wipes. For a quick and portable solution for removing bugs, road grime, and bird droppings, consider throwing these wipes in your car. This pack of 10 wipes will activate with water and then gently loosen the stuck-on debris while lubricating the paint finish. Each wipe is made of synthetic microfiber that will grab the dirt as your gentle rubbing knocks it loose. These wipes do not contain any harsh chemicals, solvents, or degreasers. This makes them safe for all car types and materials used on cars. This includes your paint, clear coat, plastic, rubber, glass, and chrome. Best of all, it only takes 2 ounces of water to activate a single sheet. Unfortunately, these wipes mainly work on smaller bugs. They tend to fall short when removing dragonflies and other larger bugs. You may also find a hazy film on your car where you use this wipe. You'll need to rinse your car immediately after using the wipe or buff it off later. Moving on at number 4. We have the TarX Tar and Adhesive Remover. CarPro's TarX comes in a 500 ml bottle or a 1 liter bottle. It's the strongest bug and tar removing solution to date, but it is expensive. The CarPro branding is very simple and clean, but your focus should be on the product. TarX comes in a very high-quality bottle. I tend to keep the bottles and reuse them for other products after I've finished with the TarX solution. The solution itself is a professional-grade formula that melts any bugs, tar or tree sap from the front of your car in minutes. All that you need to do is apply TarX to the area with bugs and tar, let it dwell for 2 to 8 minutes, then wipe and wash the dirt away. Despite its immense cleaning power, TarX will not harm your car in any shape or form. It's made with non-hazardous chemicals and is designed to protect and prevent paint failures. The advanced formula is also last-stage protection safe. CarPro claims it will help to protect and prolong any wax, sealants, or ceramic coatings you have on your car. I must say, there's a reason why this comes highly recommended by every professional and enthusiast. If you can get over the price point, it's definitely worth trying out. At number 3, we have the Armor All Car Bug and Tar Cleaner. The Armor All brand has been around for, several epochs. This extension of the brand removes bugs, tar, and bird from the paintwork of your pride and joy. In a fit of practicality, it is also said to work on glass. Just don't forget to give it a final buff after application. Like the Meguiar's product that takes up residence in your author's arsenal, this Armor All spray can be used for spot cleaning or as a pre-wash treatment. Cross-promotion being the cornerstone of marketing, the seller notes that it will also preserve wax protection, Armor All Wax, of course. At number 2, we have the Chemical Guys Bug+Tar Remover. Chemical Guys is designed a heavy-duty car wash shampoo that's highly concentrated and very effective for pre-washing to loosen bug splatter, tar, and grime, plus to prevent long-term paint damage. The shampoo is available in 4 different packages, which include the smallest 4-ounce bottle, 16, 64, and 128-ounce bottles. Since it's a concentrated shampoo car bug remover, dilution is required in the ratio of 1 capful per gallon of water, and it means that you can use even the smallest 4-ounce pack to wash the whole exterior of your vehicle at least once. And finally at number 1, we have the Bugs N' All Bug and Tar Remover. This remover is packaged in a small 4-ounce container, but it really gives you the largest quantity since the 4-ounce solution is a concentrate that can be diluted to produce up to 2 quarts, 64 ounces, of the solution. Once diluted, an empty 1-quart, 32-ounce, spray bottle is included in the package for applying the solution to the vehicle's body surface, in which it can be used to clean out tar, bird droppings, love bugs, grime, algae, and many other sorts of stains. The product works by turning all these stains into mush in a minute so that you can wipe them off but doesn't affect the paint, underlying wax, clear coat, or decals. With such power cleaning power, you can apply the remover on multiple vehicles, including RVs, motorcycles, pickups, boats, and even airplanes. On the downside, this solution is quite expensive, but you get a lot of quantity, and it's also non-corrosive, non-abrasive, non-flammable, and environmentally. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.